What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. So we are here today with the D16Y8 Turbo Civic. Not so turbo right now. I mean, it's still got the turbo, but she's not running, obviously. If you haven't seen, I've been working on the head gasket. Oh, this is where we are right now. I got a cracked rocker arm assembly. So shout out to everybody who's offered to send me one. I will get in contact with one of you and get that taken care of. But as of right now, I think I'm gonna get everything bolted back up and just leave the rocker arm assembly out, but get the head gasket and stuff squared away. That way that's all done and ready to put back on. Yeah. So I've got pretty much everything I need to get taken care of. Replaced PCV valve, everything. I'm gonna go spray this down with some copper spray right now and get it put on.
Yeah. They never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll, but thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Night sky, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy. Walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Acrylics hella cloudy. Yeah, the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a cosign me. I don't even like me. No, I'm staring in the mirror indifferent. Who is this nigga? Claim me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a road to top, I'm taking it. From the ground, now we paving it. Hella boastful when I'm ventilating. Too much on my place, then they taking shit, yeah. New sounds, I make a facelift. I'm in a new town, I make the wave split. New talent, we accruing down. That's why I run the game until my shoe is calloused. On a loose gravel, keep the flame lit. I relay the message, nobody better. I'm bringing them careless, I want it forever, but I'm with whatever. Cause these days, I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel it's all on my face. Bitch, I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way. Hope the feeling don't fade. Yeah, stream money, anything. They don't tell it why I live. Probably someone they don't.
Alrighty, guys. So as you can see, we got the head put back on. Most of it, it's all there. I got the turbo manifold, the oil line. I routed that all over there, because that's much better out of the way. I really just want to move this car around. I want to be able to work on my Integra in the garage, and I want to drive it once or twice. I'm not even going to be boosting it hard. I'm going to be swapping out the wastegate springs probably, or maybe I might not even drive it before I start building it. This is literally so I can just get shit out of the garage and get this thing moving. So I have a few more things to connect. The ground down here, I tried to cut this bolt off, but that wasn't coming off even after cutting it, so I'm just gonna have to take the whole housing off and just drill it out or something later. I'm not even worried about that really. It does have a new thermostat in there. Yeah, so like it's coming together slowly but surely. To those of you who have the rocker arm assembly, I think I need the whole rocker arm assembly here, because this is the cracked piece over here, and so I assume I need this entire assembly. But like my lost motion, I guess this is called a lost motion, right? Or whatever. I don't need this piece, I don't think. Do I? One piece. Yeah, I do need this whole piece. This piece as well. So I need the cover. I need this whole shit. If somebody has one of those that you want to spare, I think I can come up with some money for you. Just let me know what you want for it, and reach me. You can reach me on Instagram or whatever through here, message me and we can get in touch. Hell yeah. So thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's Google know that you like what I'm doing. So hell yeah, definitely. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. We are one step close to getting this thing to run. Like, I'm really excited about this time. I learned a lot, and that's what I'm most excited about. You guys are so helpful. Thank you, every single one of you. I'm learning a shit ton here, and it feels really good. Yeah, so I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for your support. Please, please, please smash that subscribe button, because like 60% of you are not subscribed, which is just insane. So hell yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out, Cub Scouts.